What's up everybody, this is Carmeezy back with another video. Today I'm going to show you something I didn't know you can do, which is use a PS4 controller for a PC with PUBG. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, so you might be saying, well, why would you want to use a PS4 controller for the PC? Why aren't you using your regular keyboard and mouse? And I know what people say, the keyboard and mouse is way better, but I'm a console gamer. I've always been a console gamer. I barely got a gaming PC like within the month, so it's still taking me some time to get used to it, and I do want to have some fun and play some games without getting my ass kicked all the time. So yeah, using a controller is natural to me, so that's what I want to do. And there's a lot of different ways that people say to do it, but this is the easiest way. I didn't have to download any special program or anything like that. It was pretty much just plug and play. So let's get into it. So I have my PC right here. I got the Aurora R7, my new gaming PC. Got my babe right there. And then I just have a USB cable plugged into the back, and that's connected to my PS4 controller. And it's already lit up because it's already connected. It already knows it's my controller and it's configured. So anyways, so you're just gonna plug it in, and then you're just gonna power it on so that way your PC kind of recognizes it. But what we're gonna have to go, and we're gonna go into Steam, and we're gonna go into our Steam settings. So we're gonna open up Steam, go to settings, and in settings there's a tab for controller. So we're gonna go to that tab and general controller settings, and here, if you're like me, you're using a PlayStation controller, you're gonna click PlayStation, and if it hasn't already, it should pop up your controller and recognize it, and it should start to configure it. If it's not recognizing it, you might just want to unplug it, plug it back in, and then press that little PlayStation logo so it can recognize it. And then once it actually detects your controller, you can click on it and you can name it whatever you want. You could actually, if you press identify, it'll make it rumble, so that way you know your rumble pack is working inside. Go to calibrate. You can calibrate all the dead zones for the left and right sticks. You do a lot of cool things. If you go to preferences, this is actually pretty neat. So you could actually change the name of your controller, take off the rumble settings, and you could actually change the lighting on your little controller. Ooh, all the dust. But yeah, so you could change the light to be whatever you want it to be, make it personal, and then submit. So after you have this set up and it identifies your controller, we could go ahead and minimize this. And all we have to do from here is just open up PUBG. So we're gonna open up PUBG. There might be a little bit of shakiness on the video because I'm doing this in like a kind of a vlog mode. And as you can see, like I said, I've only had my PC for like less than a month, which is why my character is still naked. But we'll just go in training mode real quick. So right now I'm still using the mouse because in the main menu, it's not actually detecting my controller yet, so it wasn't letting me pick through the options. But you can go ahead and use the mouse, pick whatever mode you want to pick, and then now from here, we could actually use the controller. So you got to pick the game with the mouse, but after that, you can just kind of use the controller from here on after. So let me put you guys down. You can see the controller, I can move around. And then all the configuration for the controller is already like pre-set up. I'm looking down at my phone, so it's kind of like hard to see what I'm doing, but so I can sprint, and then my trigger to attack, to change my view. It's that the right bumper, so I can go prone with a circle. Let's get back up. But yeah, as you can see, everything's working. It will disconnect if I disconnect the wire, but I'm right here by my computer, so the wire doesn't bother me at all. But it might be kind of annoying for some people to have that wire connected. But I don't know, it doesn't annoy me, and I mean, this is the simplest way that I found to do it. Other videos, they weren't very helpful, and I didn't know you could natively do it with Steam. So I mean, knowing that you could natively do it with Steam, yeah, that helped me out a lot. And yeah, like I said, other videos were telling me to download separate programs and this and that, but apparently you don't need to do that. It's really just plug and play. Hey, and somebody keeps shooting. Leave me alone. I'm trying to make a video. Yeah, so everybody kept shooting me, so I had to run away. But yeah, so I didn't know you could natively use the controller for Steam. Like I said, other videos weren't very helpful. They were telling me to download separate programs and this and that, and I'm like, I don't want to download your weird program that I don't know anything about. So yeah, so I didn't know you could just do it with Steam. So I mean, that helped me out a lot. I'm glad that I could use a controller. Hopefully I won't get my ass kicked as much. And yeah, if you're like me and you're a console player and you want to be able to use a controller, or maybe you just want to try something new, you know, now you know that you have that option. So yeah, hopefully you found this video informative. Hopefully it helped you out in some way, or you just enjoyed me watching, running around and getting shot at. So yeah, please like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.